Hey, if you can hear my voice, hello. This is my first video with my voice. And I am going, and me and my friend, say hi.
Hello.
She does not sound like that, but me and my friends are gonna play Animal Hospital together.
I sound like this, okay?
We are gonna play Animal Hospital together. So, yeah. Okay.
Wait, can I actually?
Players suck sometimes, Jesus.
Can I actually I think I know what I can maybe do.
I'm not showing my face though. But okay. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna play Animal Hospital.
No. What I mean is I fell off the ball. I was sitting. Yes, I was sitting on a ball. Don't worry.
And I'm making a video too.
Yes, but hers is gonna be a little bit. I am on.
I'm fine.
Yes, my character might look like a furry, but that does not matter.
I'm a furry.
Girl, where are you?
I'm jumping. I'm a furry.
Where are you? I can't see you.
I'm jumping. I'm a furry.
1 second, my game is loading up. Oh, next update's coming in 6 days.
Oh, there you are. I see you. Right there.
1 second. I can only see your feet.
You can only see my feet?
Look at my screen.
No, show me in. I'll move. Oh.
These are all my characters, by the way, and yes, they are still loading. Jesus. Oh wow, paramedic is the only one not loading.
Look at the new one. Yeah, there's new skins.
I don't really like the new secretary skin. This is why I use the old one.
I missed all. But you can still turn to the old one.
Yeah. Come on, game, load. Finally, it's loading. I can see your head and your arms and your tail in full color. I can see your head and tail in full color. Yeah.
Where are you there?
1 second. Just waiting.
For what?
1 second. I'm gonna put on my Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi has been connected. Now I just have to wait because high chance I'm gonna get the notification of, oh hey, by the way, your network is not working, blah 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 blah.
Mine was turning off.
Yep, there we go. Please check your internet connection. Okay, there we go.
Jumping for joy.
Yay, I can see you. Hello, we are both furries. I love that the character saw who you were and then was like, nope. No. Yes. Boop. My little brother joined, but we clicked play, but she clicked play before, yeah. Yay. Ah.
What?
Alright. We are keeping the coffee for Barney.
Yes.
We like Barney, even though we know.
Barney is a dinosaur, and then he wins a yeah.
Can you please go to the chicken stand and not sit on that chair for hours?
Yeah, I will tell you next time.
I'm doing it.
Okay.
Please don't ever do that again.
Okay.
I want to check in as a patient. Yes, we know.
You know, I can do it faster. On the PlayStation, I can do it faster.
Yeah, but she's not on the PlayStation. Get herbs because,
I know,
yeah.
herbs and eye drops.
yeah. So yeah, this is.
Oh, and a tip. If the first 2 patients need herbs and eye drops, I'll show you.
Yes, I'll show you too.
I already have herbs and eye drops. Be quiet.
Okay, Jesus, Louise.
Sorry.
Dude, I know your eyes need to be checked, but dude, those eyes are concerning.
What eyes?
The patient I'm checking in, their eyes always concern me. Like, do they have what?
Oh yeah.
Those eyes always concern me.
definitely need herbs, I think. Yep, I know it.
Want to see? Look, herbs.
See, Koda. And the next one will have eye drops. I'll show you. Why did you go for the door?
I don't know, maybe because maybe the patient was like, oh yeah, let's just get, watch this. No, I am not weird. I just do this sometimes.
What do you got?
Oh, by the way, always keep eye drops on you because if there's a blood ritual, then use them to put out the fires. 2 0 0 0, obviously.
0, 0, 0.
Excellent. Yay.
Yeah. Oh nope. Yeah, this.
No. Don't let them in. Let them in. Let me show you a trick. Let them in.
Yeah, let them in. Just give them a long thing and they'll die.
No. I need to show you something. It's a tip that you don't know about.
Okay.
You'll be super surprised about this. Yes, we know you're an anomaly.
I'm surprised about this too.
Because she doesn't know it either, but I do. I'll check it. I'll do this patient. You can watch. And if you ring that bell more than 3 times, I'm gonna shut this door on you. Jeez, no, I'm not actually going to, but I really want to because those guys are really annoying. Always keep eye drops on you for blood rituals, by the way. Hey, grab eye drops.
Yeah.
I didn't even look at the stalker. What the?
Bro, I looked at it for like 1 second and bro died.
I didn't even look at it.
Bro, I'm like, bro, I just did this. I just did it like super fast and I just got loosed up and I'm like, okay, what's the tip?
Okay, no, don't give him eye drops. Not yet. Get second eye drops. Wait, no, I'm gonna do this. Why did I grab 3 eye drops?
That's 2. That's 3. Well, she's slouching. She's a bad girl, so. Can I have the coffee so bad?
Alright, watch this. Come over here. Come over here. Jesus.
Okay, yeah. Don't mind Belle.
Belle, shut up.
You gave her the things.
Wait, watch this. Wait. I'm just gonna hide over here until it starts. There we go. Extinguish them with eye drops because if you extinguish them normally, you'll lose sanity. Look at their eyes.
Oh, wow.
See? Told you.
Never knew that.
Oh my God! Shut up!
Why you dumb?
Leave now! This is outrageous!
Yeah. No.
Hello, dog?
Normal?
Yes. Hello, dog.
Yep. Oh, frick. He's not normal.
What?
That guy's not normal.
Wait, let me see.
The white guy's cray cray.
Yeah, we saved him though, don't worry. You look normal. Go. Now.
What?
I'm gonna throw him away because we don't need to deal with another patient. We are not dealing with another patient. We're throwing this one away.
Throw him away.
No one will know.
Nobody will know.
I love that the text is, no one will know. We are on the same agreement that if it is,
Here, I'm not gonna make a video anymore.
okay, I will though.
I'm on.
You look normal.
Yes.
Your eyes are the same, your mouth is the same. Why are you doing that? I'll be in room 5, blah, blah, blah. I don't give a beep. I would say the F word if I could.
What do you mean room 5?
Oh, hello, eye drops.
Well, I already got eye drops. But
Well, hello, eye guy. 3, 2, 1.
It's pretty risky.
Watch this. Watch
It's
this.
pretty risky.
Watch this. 3, 2, 1. Did it! Yes, my character's name is Rudy. Don't judge me. I like.
It's pretty risky. How did you do that? It's pretty risky.
I just did.
Now you just lost a lot of sanity.
Coffee.
Here, right here. How much are you at?
40.
I'm at 46. So you made it. Around the world, around the world.
Dang, I'm craving a
Around the
donut.
world,
Donuts.
around the world.
Donuts sound delicious right now.
A donut sounds delicious right now.
I've been recording this for 11 minutes straight. I'm gonna give you head damage. I play this with my cousin and my partner sometimes. My cousin is still new.
Not dog.
Yay!
I hate dogs, but I love the shop.
Hey, that rhymed!
Guys, look at my sister. Hi, sister.
Haha. I don't have enough.
Oh, you're the best now. Good job. No, look
Hey.
on the cam. Look on the cam.
Put the thing back.
No.
Leave. We'll lose all our fire extinguish. Boy, if you do not, I am going to tase you and put you in the trash.
No. Keep it close. Keep it close.
Ugh, those things scare me. Ugh, stop staring at me. Those...
Yeah, he's like. Yeah, and I hate the mouth voice.
I just hate the mouth. I don't care about the voice. I hate the mouth.
Let me see on the cam.
Ears are the same, but
He's okay. He's okay.
ears are the same, but
Lights flickering now.
yeah, lights suck anyways. Stare at the photo. Eyes and mouth are the same too. If the ears, the eyes, or the mouth are different than what it shows,
One time, I actually.
accidentally brought one in with different eyes. It seems like.
No.
Oh, different.
No, I'm trying to say, I saw one like that, and it was a deer, and the photo had the loop ears, like the bear ears, and it had horns. So I'm like, oh no. That's like
One time you almost checked in a cat guy with different eyes and mouth. Eyes and mouth are the same. Check go in the room 6. I'll do room 8 because I'm really good at doing room 8. Oh, hi Ron, my twin, but I don't have hair, unfortunately.
You're twin, but not have hair.
I want hair. Please give me hair. And
No,
also,
not hair.
my name's Ron from accounting. Fun fact, did you know his actual name is Ron from accounting, not just Ron? It's really funny. Why did you take the coffee? What was your sanity at?
It was at 40. It was at 40. It was at 40.
What if Barney was here?
I'm sorry. It was at 40. Oh.
Yeah, his actual name is Ron from accounting. Okay, go do your patient. Oh, nice surgery.
Okay, you go to room 8 because that's your twin.
And also because I'm better at surgery than you. Get on the bed now. Girl, are you gonna do the patients in here? Girl! Where are you? Damn, good, you're doing the thing. Okay.
Right here. What do you want? Okay, what do you need?
get why it's not. It's green, black and. Oh, nice. That's easy. Just have a lot of medication, dude. Oh my god. The last thing was just 3 bottles of medication.
Oh my god.
Do the other patient. We like switching roles sometimes. Dang! Boy! Just stop ringing the dang bell! Your eyes are different. Get out of this place now, bitch. I'm not saying get out now.
Let me see.
Look at the eyes. This is outrageous.
Yeah.
Be mad.
Yeah. Mad face.
Your ears are the same, but I cannot trust. Sup? Oh, I love that name. I'm. You're not a duck. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Okay, yeah, we can do it. Remember, you.
What?
Oh, dang.
On fire.
Room. Patient is on fire. Shut up. If you're an anomaly, I'd let you burn.
Same.
If you're an anomaly, I would have let you. Yeah, you might not, but still. Might not be an anomaly. We don't know.
Yes.
What are you in the first place? You look like a unicorn that took a lot of, yeah. How long until they come for me? Boy, we just did! And girl, do your patience!
Fine.
Do that room, I'll do this one. Sorry for your wait. Yeah. I clicked pink. Blue. Yellow. Yeah, did you know it just does black instead of actually? Thank God. I think something funny is that sometimes people will go into the hospital and they'll need maple syrup because they're Canadian. The 2 reasons they need maple syrup. 1, Canadian. 2, low blood sugar.
Do you need the coffee because the coffee is ready?
Nope, I do not need the coffee. Isn't the guy that does the bang, bang, bang thing on their head? Isn't the guy that does this on their head gonna come soon? And girl, do your patience!
Fine.
2 of them, one of them has been waiting for you!
I already did 1.
Dang it.
Here.
I need to go and charge my... What's your tablet at?
5.
Mine's also at 5. Dang it.
She needs 2 maple syrup, okay.
What? Because why she need 2 maple syrup? I want to see what her illnesses are. Her illness is yes, Canadian and low blood sugar. I knew it. Oh yes. The reason I need 2 maple syrups because I'm Canadian. Don't tase him, remember? throwing him away. He sucks. Oh yes, thank you for directing me to the trash can. No one will know.
Coffee. Baka. I like coffee. Yeah, get him in.
Come on in. Yes, we know you're an anomaly. You do him, remember?
I don't care. We don't really care.
Level up. I leveled up. How did I level up? I leveled up? What? What's level up mean?
Good person.
Sup, I am blah blah blah. I mean, to check it out.
I'm wrong.
Come on, go do your patience, remember?
Why?
Because you're the patient girl.
Oh yay, I want to buy the gun. Do I have enough for the gun? I don't have enough for the gun. You have enough for the gun?
No, I do not have $400.
I'm doing the creepy person.
Remember to grab eye drops. Roommate.
I'm just gonna turn it all the way down. Hey!
Sorry. I thought that was a cup.
You thought that was a cup? Girl, that would be bad too.
Isn't it common knowledge that you can take away the goop with fire extinguisher now?
Quiet. Come on. I'm gonna play with the pen. Let's see if I can. I can!
Oh my god, she's playing with
I can play with the pen!
She's playing with an art pen.
I for real, look.
I know, I see. Organ.
Yeah, it's kind of hard. You have to be a pro.
I love it.
All you need is magnification, and you're going to turn into a demon.
You look same.
Now it's healing and he'll turn to neutral.
Did you know now the secret can come up to the thing?
Ready?
To the check. Did you know the secret can come up to the check-in area now?
What? Oh, time for trash time.
Yeah, my favorite part of the day. Throw a patient into the trash can.
He's on fire.
Their screaming is so annoying. Dude, room 2 death ritual.
Help me.
There you go, there you go. Go.
Go, bro, you're twins.
But this guy is an anomaly.
Which guy?
This guy. The guy I'm staring at.
Bro, his head's weird.
I'm only doing you.
They're
If these both,
They're siblings.
if both of,
Imagine both of them are anomalies.
why are you tricking them in?
Oh yeah, I got taste days. Evil. I need.
Leave now.
I have no coffee.
Wrath you! It's Wrath you! You have coffee. You can check them in. She really likes Brathion. I'm gonna have to change rooms because I'm going to have to charge my phone. Hey, Father.
Someone's
Father.
at front door.
Can I charge my phone?
Did you not bring a charger?
No.
Why not? I told you to grab one.
Mm.
Oh, what's up, dude? Oh, good. Hey, Jordan. Hey, brother.
Ah.
Birthday boy.
Hey, can I charge